UGC is putting a lot of focus on taking final year exams. It doesn't matter what the student opinion is, nor does it matter to the student's life. While giving the exams, if a student came across the disease, then who will be responsible for it? It doesn't matter to UGC. His main motive is to take the exams, nothing else. UGC motto is that the child should have a degree. Yeah, because how will the placement will happen if degree does not exist? So firstly, it has started to arise from Delhi that UGC said that they will take the exams, but has not told that how will they take the exams. This is the biggest question arises today. Recently, Delhi High Court appealed to UGC that please clarify that how you should take the exams while the whole world is suffering from this corona outbreak. As we all know that most of the parts of the West Bengal, Maharashtra and many other states have been locked just to control the spread of this deadly coronavirus. So if a student is from Kolkata, then how that student will go to Maharashtra when there is not much facility to travel from one place to another? Suppose someone has reached the exam center and then found the COVID positive, then who will take its responsibility? Because neither he stayed the campus nor he will get back to his home. My aim is not to say that degree is not important. Rather, I want to say that degree is important but not more than life. UGC can follow some other alternatives. Like in Das Sarti's opinion, UGC can give a project to the final year students which they have to explain or showcase to the authorities, and they can give the marks on that basis. And apart from this, there are enormous ways to evaluate the student performance rather than taking the semester exams. And in case students are not satisfied with their marks, so they can appear for the physical examinations after the situations get controlled. Because few days back in Kerala, two students get corona positive while appearing for the entrance exams. So think of the situation when both of them came in contact with other people too. So in our opinion, UGC should opt for other alternative options to evaluate the students, because today's youth is tomorrow's future.